Ramogi TV, Nairobi.
Ikineno Jood bura par mag Azimio bende olimo joma ne ohinyore ng'anyo ma pod yudo thieth e osiptal mar Ramogi Teaching and Referral manitiere boma ma Kisumu. Bang'e to jotelogo obago lamo ne joma ne owito ngimagi kod joma ne ohinyore e ng'anyo mag Azimio mane otimore e kaunti ma Kisumu. Lamo ma kamano dhi mbele e alwora mar od thiedhno. Achiel jotelogo kod jopiny medo seyo bila kuom tiyo gi teko mang'eny e ng'anyo. Bende giseyo jagoro e migawo mar arita kuom rem chopo nonro mar chal mar jong'anyo mane ohinyore Kisumu.
The team of lawyers who have been working from the background are going to institute a case, a constitutional petition in the High Court of Kenya in the name of each and every person killed by police and each and every person maimed or hurt by police still hospitalized. And we are praying that those who have not died may be healed. And for this, on behalf of the MPs present, lest I forget, let me also thank the management of this hospital and hospitals across the country for the work you are doing.
The Kenya Kwanza members of parliament could not bear to listen to the truth. So they sabotaged it and parliament ended prematurely because they do not want Kenyans to hear these things. I want to tell you this. Some people have said that there might be militia. From what we have seen and heard, it is possible that there are militia who are deployed to Kisumu.
Tawadwani wa watch ne wa bunge. To all those KK MPs or members of parliament and to Mr. Ruto himself, you can only stand up and congratulate the police for having done a wonderful job before you get into the mortuary of just one hospital and see 13 bodies lying dead of gunshot wounds. If indeed you get the opportunity to see that, you cannot give the police a pat on the back